Hey there! Today we're going to get to know Merge, a powerful Vela feature that will streamline your multi-shop listing management. In the main listing view, we'll see a color-coded dot for each shop our listing is linked with. Heads up, these dots and the Merge option will only show if you already have more than one shop connected to your account. What if you already have the same listing in each of your shops but just one dot showing next to each? This gift wrap is in our Etsy and Shopify shop but isn't connected. Making a copy would create a duplicate that you don't need. That's where Merge comes in, creating the link that makes these separate existing listings into one easily editable, sortable listing. Merge lays the groundwork for full inventory management capabilities that are coming soon to Vela. Now let's merge this listing. We could start from either shop for this step. From the main dashboard, we hover over the listing here and the Merge symbol appears. We click Merge and can now search the listings in our other shops by title or SKU. We'll even see any suggested matches that are similar to your initial selection. Select the listing you want to merge with, then click Merge One Listing. And voila! The connected listing opens, where you can easily flip between the connected shops. Edits we make to the listing in the Etsy tab won't reflect in the Shopify shop. This means you can preserve the platform-specific details and optimizations for each platform. So when we optimize the title for Etsy's algorithm, for example, the change doesn't impact the Shopify title. Back in the main view, we'll see that the listing now displays two dots, indicating its connection to both shops. You can connect your listing to as many shops and channels as you like. Merge is a game changer for managing listings across multiple shops in Vela. It simplifies the process by allowing you to quickly connect and edit listings across platforms while maintaining the flexibility to optimize each one individually.